Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how I made a mushroom hanging decoration. The first thing I did is I carved a mushroom. I'm going to show you the process that I used in this video. In this video I'm using a 1 by 1 inch piece of basswood, but I have made them out of sticks that I found or other scraps of wood that I thought I could get a nice shape from. I'm just going to let you watch the process. There is a bit of ASMR in there, and I'll come back to you when I'm done. So now the mushroom's finished, the next thing to do is prep your driftwood. What I did with mine is I used a wire brush and I just give it a really rough scrub so that I made sure I got off any sand particles or any bugs that might be hiding. The next thing I did was I oiled them in some Danish oil. You can use any oil you want. Then I got my mushrooms and I made them pretty. Then I drilled some holes to have the string go through in both the driftwood and the mushrooms. And then I tied them all together, one mushroom, one piece of driftwood, with a knot either side to keep them in place. Obviously, if you want 2 mushrooms and 2 pieces of wood, or, you can have it any combination of ways that you want. And then voila, the finished piece. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.